Alright, welcome back guys once again, and in this video we're gonna be learning about how to use animations into your CSS. Like by using CSS you can do some animations part into your HTML document. And so in the previous video we learned about some key important keys properties that we should include whenever we are writing the CSS. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to play into that same code and just include some more CSS, and then we're gonna see like how the animation works into that. So you can see this one is also already running. So this is also it's look like this. So let's remove this position part from here. So let's remove this position part from here. Okay, and see, so now it's looking center. And also remove this display flex part. Also remove this display flex part, like this display flex thing from here. So I'm just removing this class name from here. Okay, so you can see it's coming over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a code that this box can automatically move from here to here. Okay, so into the CSS, let's add the keyframe. So whenever you are writing something, so you need to add keyframe animation one. Okay, the the function name would be animation one. So for 0%, for 0%, it would be what we can do. We can give left to 100%, 100%, and your top will be zero. Top will be zero at that point. Okay, not let 100%. It would be zero at the 0%, and when you will do 100%, your left will be 100%, and your top will be zero. Because we need to just slide it whenever we reload the page. It should slide from here to here. Okay, so this is, and let's include this CSS into the box child box element. So let's type animation. Okay, the name would be animation one. Okay, name would be this one. Okay, duration would be 200 millisecond, or maybe I can do 1 second, 100 ms. Timing function delay. So ease in, that we can do ease in. Okay, iteration count would be alternate, and direction would be infinite. Direction alternate, and it would be infinite. So we can write the CSS like this, and fill mode would be no need to do is remove the delay part of it. Okay, let's see how CSS is working or not right now. So if we reload the page, okay, it's not working because we need to give position position relative to this. And now let's see working or not. So you can see it's going up and coming down. It's going up, coming down. So it's right now it's on infinite mode. So that's why it's going up and down, up and down. So what I need to do, if I would do that, like on the 25%, it will go over here, and on the 90%, it will go over here. Like 50% it will come here, 75% it will come here, and on the 100% it will come here, and it will goes into the loop again and again and again. So what we can do over here, like on the 25%, make this 100% as a 25%, because at 25% it will go there. Okay, and just copy it and paste it down below 2 times, and make it 50%, and it will go to left will be your 100%. Okay, but top will be your also 100%. So top will be your also 100% right now. Okay, top will be 100%, and now make it 75%. So left will be your, so, okay, I'm getting the error because left top will be 100%. I don't know. Okay, again I've written over here, so that's why the error is coming. So 75%, left to top will be 100%. So top will be your again 100%, 100%, okay, and left will be your zero. Okay, left will be your zero, and into the 100%, left will be your zero, and top will be your zero, because it should come back again to the same position. And let's see it's working or not. So you can see it's going into the alternate direction every time. It's coming back because we have included alternate over here. Okay, alternate. So apart from this alternate, if we can include only forwards, so let's see how it is working. You can see it's moving into the forward direction. Okay, so that's how we can do the CSS part. And also we can use the transform and scale property we can use over here. So whether doing the top left, bottom left, what I can do, I can remove this. Also I can do transform. I can use any kind of transform property. So what I will do, I will rotate this. So rotate at z axis. Okay, rotate z axis 90 degree. Okay, same thing do transform, rotate, control C, control V, rotate 135 degree, 135 degree, okay, degree, 90 degree, degree, okay, and just copy it, paste it over here, and it would be like 180 degree, 180 degree, okay, and it would be 270, again, control C, control V, it would be to, 270 degree, 270, and now the last one would be 360, 360. Okay, and let's see the response what we are getting. So you can see it's also rotating and also it's moving. Got it? It's also rotating and moving. Okay, so if I remove this rotation moving part, if I remove the left part from here, left part from here like this. Okay, now see the rotation. So at the one position, it's rotating continuously. Okay, and if I just reduce the time of the rotation, so you can see it's rotating continuously. So you can see it's kind of loader it's going on over here. So also what we can do little bit all more optimization into that. So right now it's rotating on the z axis, so it's rotating like a box, like a circle. It's a become a loader. Okay, and same animation if we're gonna use same animation part, same code if we're gonna use into the parent element as well, suppose. Okay, and now let's see the magic. Okay, so that's it guys, like that's how we can use the animation into the HTML, and we can create multiple things, like a lot of things like using this. So it was just a basic scenario that we can use the CSS and we can create the animations like this. So there are multiple things that you can create, and it's up to you that how much you learn. And thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video.